What is going on, lunatics? Guys, we are skipping all of the fancy stuff. We're getting right into the price action. As you can see, we have started yet another parabolic run of 58.72% on the day. This is not financial advice, but I'm always right.
Everybody listen up. Let's get it. I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways to get paid.
All right, guys, here we are. All of the fire, none of the smoke. Look at this. We now have a confirmation. Remember, we did this yesterday. We said that this is probably going to be the spot where we take profit. It's 59. We're basically getting to that 6,000 level. Well, the profit taking started. We tested our last line of resistance at 55.51. We didn't even stop to consolidate at this point. It just continued to move. Now, if you guys are paying attention, and I know you've been paying attention for a few days because I've had a lot of you reaching out to me and talking to me about this. Listen, these spots right here, we're testing them. We're going right back through. We're testing this. We're going right through it. There's probably going to be a test here. Now, this is not going to be your last chance to accumulate. I'm telling you now, it's not your last chance to accumulate. But the last time we've done this, we moved up and then we fell down two of our channels to another level, right? Well, we want to look here. We want to find the very best spot where we can test this, and we want to move this. We don't want to sit on 45 and say that that's the perfect price action because, you know, it looks like maybe we're talking 48 right here. So that's probably a better spot to call this at this point because now we're talking about it becoming a line of support, right? And you can see right here that we tested this area two times. Then we came back down, we bounced off of this level, then we came back up here, we went through it, and then we came back down and tested it one more time. Then we moved to the next level at 55. Then we tested that a couple of times and then busted completely through. Now you can see the wick is starting to lower. It's very possible that we're in that profit-taking mode. That being said, it probably lends that we're going to run back down here to about 48, and we're going to make that test one more time over the next few hours. Folks, what we need to see right now, and I know everybody here wants to see this massive sort of accumulation, and we just want to see this parabolic run, but we have to have these moments. Now, one thing to note is the patterns have now changed. We were doing symmetrical triangles, and they've been working brilliantly so far. They've been very predictable. We know exactly what's going on with them. Well, now we've got this downward facing bull pennant, and that kind of changes things a little bit. Just in technical analysis terms, it's just changing the way that this thing is moving. And when it moves differently, then there's a change in the air. Now that could be a massive move, which is what we're going through right now. And it's a question now, how long do we sustain it? So I'm expecting to see this thing bounce down to that 48 level again, giving you maybe one final opportunity in order to accumulate a little bit before we go back on another run. And if we take the time here to look at this, we're gonna start being nerds on this. We're gonna take this and we're gonna move this here, and then we're gonna look like, where do we accumulate? If we're going off of 48, then our next stop for accumulation to make that next move up is going to be around 73 with a stop off at 68. So we're going to have a line here, and we're going to put another line up here. And as you can see, guys, these things are kind of close together, but that's what's been happening lately. They just kind of close themselves off and get closer and closer together. So that looks like where our next lines are going to be. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, support the channel. We're going to do one final thing before we go, though. We're going to look at the price action. 58.39, market cap is $3.59 billion. Remember, guys, I said there's a big possibility here that we get to a $7 billion market cap. That was when we were at 800 million. And here we are at 3.59 billion. Never doubt me. The volume, folks, $3.7 billion. Just imagine. Listen, this is the run up before we get to the actual FOMO. This is just this is people just getting in and finding some position early on. So that's where we are right now. Also, real quick to point out, Terra Classic is starting to pump a little bit again. You can see that it's made a gigantic move up here to the 48.87 level. I'm not sure how much leg it has. Remember, the idea here is to peg it to $1 at some point. That being said, there's going to be a lot of people out there that want to buy it up. There's still 10.2 billion supply, only 479 market cap. Listen, if the market cap doubles and we get up to 10 cents, something good happened. So that's where we are now, guys. Be careful in your trading. All of this could change at a moment's notice if something doesn't go right, but we are a mere 4 days away from September 12, and that's when the implementation takes place. Now, the burn does not start until around the 19th or the 20th. Based on this trading volume, the block height is getting closer and closer and closer. If it continues the way that it is, it might even be late on the 18th when we're able to start trading with a 1.2% burn. So keep that in mind. We are getting close to crunch time. But again, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. Leave a comment. That's very important for the algorithm. I appreciate all of your support. If you can, become a member of the channel. It's $4.99 a month. It's not that much to continue to provide you with the support that we're giving you here and the information that we're giving you every day. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleaves. I am always right. Good luck in your trading, and we will see you again soon.
I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways to get paid.